So in question 6b, we're asked to determine the values of x for which f of g of x and g of f of x, where x lies between 0 and 2 pi. So it already says here we need to put our two answers from part A equal to each other. So let's just go ahead and do that. So we have 3 plus cos 2x is going to be equal to 6 plus 2 cos x. I'm going to move these over and make this equation equal to 0. So this then becomes cos 2x minus 2 cos x minus 3 equal to 0. Now you can see here that this is a cos 2x and this is a cos x. So we're going to have to figure out a way to factorize these. So if you go up to your trigonomic formulas, you'll see that cos 2x has several expressions, but the one that would be most used to us here is this one, 2 cos squared x minus 1. So this then becomes 2 cos squared x minus 1 minus 2 cos x minus 3 equals 0. Let's go back down to the question. So now we can simplify this. We have cos squared x minus, 2 cos squared x minus 2 cos x minus 4 equal to 0. We can divide this whole expression by 2. So this then becomes cos squared x minus cos x minus 2 equal to 0. Now we can factorize this. So minus 2, our factors would be minus 2 and 1. So this then becomes cos x minus 2 and cos x plus 1 equal to 0. So cos x is equal to 2 and cos x is equal to negative 1. Well, cos x actually can't be equal to 2. So there's no solution for this. No solution. Because if you look at the graph of cos of x, it's going to go like this. It's going to go from 1 to negative 1, so it can't be up at 2. Okay, so, and in the question here, you need to really read the question. It says determine the values of x for which g of f of x is where x is between 0 and 2 pi. So it's going to want the answer in pi. So what it's really asking is for what value of x do you get minus 1? And you're going to get it right here, which is pi. Because, the whole thing takes 2 pi, exactly halfway between. That's where you get negative 1. So you're going to get pi. So therefore, x is equal to pi. Okay. And that's your final answer. So where'd you get the marks here? It's quite a lot of marks to pick up. So you get 1 mark for equating the expressions here. You get your second mark for substituting in your trigonomic formulae. You get another mark for putting it in the quadratic form here. You get another mark for factorizing here. You get 1 mark for equating, for solving for cos x, and you get your last mark for solving for x, getting that value of pi. So that's your 6 marks.